Okay, guys, we've got our bowl of flour. You see how we formed a well. No, the spoon doesn't take into play. It's just hands. We formed a well by pushing our flour up. It's going to get all on your hands. It's okay. Then we're going to put to that a third a cup. I'm not measuring. About a third a cup of oil. You don't stir it up with a spoon. We're using our hand. They're using their hands today. Then we're going to add about a cup of milk right now. About maybe a third a cup, 2/3 a cup. You don't use a spoon. Then, guys, all we're going to do is take our hand, push it into the flour, kind of into it. Oh, this might be interesting today. You don't do like that. No, Mo, you go around like this with your hand around the edges. Yes, that's how you make biscuits.
No.
Not like you're doing. That's enough. That's enough. Don't. Just wait. Just wait. Oh boy. Oh boy, guys. This is going to be interesting. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough now. That's enough. Mo, do you hear Mammy? That's enough. She's making them now. Yeah.
Hello, my friend got it all overload.
Don't take long.
I can hold it.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we got our biscuit dough. We got our biscuit dough mixed up.
I see some Ghana deal.
It's okay. That's the bowl. Then we're going to spread out our flour.
We won't do that.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now spread it out. Okay, spread it out. Okay, now we're going to put our biscuit dough out here. That's interesting. They'll still be good, guys. They'll still be good.
Okay, no worries.
We got to get all our biscuit dough in there.
I can do it.
You ain't going to want to touch that biscuit dough. I know you.
Mammy.
Now, biscuit dough, guys, we don't want to mix it up a lot. We don't want to knead it, so we're just going to kind of fold it on itself, just like that.
Touch it.
Yeah. We're just folding it on itself, just like this. Putting a little bit of flour. You just don't want to mix it much. Y'all give me grace. We made it with 2-3-year-olds, but that's okay. That's going to be some of the best biscuits we ever eat. Right?
Why?
Right, guys?
Like that, more.
Because we just fold it over so that it has layers. See, we just fold it like that. Okay, now we're going to just poke it out. Help me poke it out, Mo. Get it to whatever height you want. I think that's good. Right there. Hang on just a minute. Okay, don't keep doing that. You're going to make them tough.
Do something else with it. You just do your hand over there with it. All right, y'all.
Look what I'm like.
Okay, we have folded and folded and folded our dough. Now, we need a cup. Okay, now y'all can do this, okay?
Okay.
Now put your cup in here. We're just going to put our cup, the end of the cup in there. Take it out. Now we're going to cut us out some biscuits.
Me.
No, not right in the middle. We're going to do it right there. Here, push it down. Straight down, don't twist. Okay. Let me have it. Here, put your biscuit in here.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Okay,
Okay, now Wilder gets to make a biscuit. Quit, Mo. Push straight down. These are going to be a little big biscuits, guys, but that's okay. Oh, I don't think you cut all the way through, baby. There. Woo. Now put your biscuit over there.
Mommy! Can you for him?
Right there. There you go. Okay, Mo, it's your turn.
No,
Push straight down.
No, my
No, right there where Mam's got it. Straight down, straight. There you go. Pick it up.
She didn't do all the way through.
Push all the way through.
Right here.
You don't want to twist it because that'll seal your edges. And it won't, okay, pull it, pick it up. And it won't rise as much.
Real.
Okay.
That's amazing, Mama. That's all.
Okay, you push it straight down.
Yeah.
Straight down.
You got to set it beside it. Don't
Straight
let
down.
it above it.
Got it? Okay, there you go. See, I feel the bottom. Okay, now get your biscuit.
Jeff and Bo's coming too.
Okay.
No, don't do
Oh,
it.
thank you, Mo.
No, don't do it. Why you?
Okay, now Mama, Gaga, will you get us another pan down there?
We're
We're just going to gather up our dough, guys.
Another pen down here, please, ma'am.
These are going to be some big old... Oh, that's the only thing we got? Yeah, that one. You have to butter it, if you don't mind. We did butter our pan. Okay, now we're going to let Mo cut. Oh, Wilder cut. Okay, Wilder cut. Push.
Hear me. No.
You just do it. Push all the way through. Make sure you get it all the way through. There you go. Get your biscuit.
Real. That's amazing.
That's amazing. Gaga's got your pan. Lemon, don't move it. Don't move it. Here. Push all the way down. All the way down now. All the way. Okay, pick it up and see you got it all the way down. Did you get it all the way cut?
No.
No. Push it down.
No.
Okay, here you go, Water.
Wait.
Okay, you got it now.
Let me know when my turn. Huh?
Look. See? You have to pick it up real easy. Okay, wait just a minute. Let me get it all gathered back up. Push straight down.
That's mine.
Right there. Put it right there. I don't know if I don't look all the way cut through, baby. Okay.
No, it's mine.
Okay. This was a little big for a cutter, guys. But it's oh, okay, okay. Okay, Mo, you take this and you just form that into your biscuit, okay? Just kind of squish it like you do your hamburger. It's all right. Put it right there. Uh-oh. Push it all together. There you go. You can do it right there. Just push it all together. There. That looks like a good biscuit. Oh. Now you can't work it too much or you make it hard. Okay? You want to cut it?
No, me.
No, this is her biscuit. Here. Yeah, this might be a hard biscuit. But that's okay. Just push it all the way. There you go. It's there. That goes right there. It's all fine. That's right. Put it right there. Right here. Perfect.
Perfect. Let me need some more.
We're going to make some more now.
Right
Right now, let me make this. I'm going to just put this one right here because that's going to be a little hard biscuit if we keep working it. Okay, guys, we're going to put these in a 500-degree oven for 7 to 10 minutes. Just watch them. Oh, so sweet.